What is it?
It's someone playing a drum.
For the 4th of July? Cool. What else is in it?
Perfectly.
Yeah. What else is in your box? What else is in your present?
I'm going to put it on right here.
Okay.
Everything I get out is going to be right here. What's in here?
I don't know.
I know something's in it. I don't feel. Something's in it.
Go in the next one.
She didn't bring me.
No, it was probably for wrapping so that the things didn't get broken. Whoa, what's that?
A pinwheel.
Oh, cool. Is there 2 of them?
Yeah. I think they're candy.
I don't know. I'll have to see. I can't tell. They look like candy, but I don't think they are. I think they're... Oh, it's a candle. That's pretty cool.
Mom, I found the place where you light it up.
Yeah. Wow.
It goes in the cake.
You could put it in a cake, or you could put it in the dirt, or you could put it in something. That's cool. What is it? What is that?
Oh.
Is it half tiger, half dog, or what is that?
It's so cute.
Wow. What is that thing?
What is it? What is it?
It says a plush land. It says huggable, lovable, fun. And that's all it says. So are those black lines like a tiger, or are the black lines like it's a Shar-Pei puppy? Aw, that's fun.
What's in here?
I don't know. It might just be more wrapping.
No.
There's something?
I think not. No.
Just more wrapping so that the candles didn't get broken.
Hey.
Is that everything?
Yes. Just a box.
Just a box. How cool is that?
I love this thing. I'm going to pull the tag off.
What are you going to name it?
I don't know. Mom, can you pull the tag off?
Yeah? Can you say thank you, Granny Elise? Look at the camera and say thank you, Granny Elise.
Thank you, Granny Elise.
What was your favorite thing?
My favorite thing is this.
All right. We'll figure out a name for it, huh?
Yeah.